Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Strava. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Strava app and we click in this page. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.